On this day, we delight ourselves with an extraordinary recipe. Crisp and golden fish sticks, breaded and fried white fish fillets, perfect for a quick and tasty dinner. Ingredients: 400 grams of white fish fillets, such as cod or plaice, 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, salt and pepper, frying oil, either seed or olive oil. Start by cleaning the cod or plaice fillets, making sure to remove all bones. Pat the fillets dry and cut them into the desired size strips. Take 3 deep plates, place the flour in one, beat the eggs with salt and pepper in another, and pour the breadcrumbs into the third. Coat each piece of fish in flour, making sure it is well covered. Shake off the excess. Next, dip the floured fish into the beaten eggs, ensuring the liquid sticks well on all sides. Lastly, coat the fish with breadcrumbs. Heat a generous amount of oil in a frying pan until it reaches a medium-high temperature. Fry the fish sticks in the hot oil until they are golden on all sides. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness of the sticks. Remove the fish sticks from the oil and let them drain on paper towels. Enjoy them hot, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon, or accompanied by a tartar sauce or homemade mayonnaise. To stay up to date on new recipes and culinary creations, remember to subscribe to our channel and visit our website. The term fish sticks is often associated with the ready-made and frozen food found in supermarkets, but this homemade recipe allows you to enjoy a healthier and tastier version of this dish without preservatives or additives.